Am I audible? All right. Okay.
Hello, ma'am. Good afternoon.
Good afternoon. Okay, let's wait for 5 minutes so that more people join in, and then we will start the session. Okay. Let's wait for 5 minutes. Please tell everyone to join in quickly. There are only 8 people now. Please inform your friends. Tell them that I'm waiting. Yesterday we did simple interest. Today we will do compound interest. Okay. Please tell your friends. Okay, so today we are going to do compound interest. All right. Okay. So do all of you know yesterday we learned simple interest, right? And the formula for simple interest, anyone tell me what is the formula for simple interest? Yesterday we did it. Tell me the formula for simple interest. What was the formula?
Ma'am, PTR by 100.
Correct. P into R into T by 100. This is your simple interest. And if someone asks you amount, so what you will do? Principal plus the interest part, right? So this is your amount. Okay. Now today we will do we will do compound interest. Now see compound interest. Okay, in compound interest, it is very similar to simple interest, but the only difference in this is your principal keep changing. Okay, I'll give you an example. Let's say, let's understand the difference between compound interest and simple interest, then we'll move forward. Okay, so the difference between simple interest and compound interest. Okay, in simple interest, if I give you principal 1000 rupees, rate 10% per annum, and if I say time is 3 years, so how will you calculate? SI is equals to P into R into T by 100, right? This is how you will calculate. Yes or no? So how much will be the interest? Please tell me how much will be the interest. 300, right? Okay. 300. Amount will be how much? 100, 1000 plus 300, that is 1300, correct? Now see how it is happening in compound interest. So for example, in compound interest, they give you the same data. Same data, principal is 1000, rate is 10% per annum, and let's say time is 3 years. But the question says that find compound interest annually, compounded annually. So now you will calculate for one year. So first year, what we will do? Same formula, we will use the same formula. So 1000 into rate is 10, and only for the first year. So 1 divided by 100. So how much I will get? 100, correct? Now second year, what will happen? Your principal will change. Now the principal will become amount of the previous. So 1000 plus this 100, 1100, and rate is again 10%. And now second year time is again 1 year. Okay, so put everything 100 into 10 into 1 upon 100. So how much I will get interest? 110, correct? Now third year, now what will be the new principal? Can anyone tell me what will be the new principal? This plus this. Earlier the principal was this plus this, and now the new principal will become principal plus the interest part. So 12100, rate is 10% and time is 1 year. So put everything in the formula. 12100, only 10 na. 1210 into 10 into 1 upon 100. So now what will be the interest? 121. Now what will be the final amount? This new principal plus this. So it will become 1210 plus 121. 1210 plus 121. It is 1331. Yes or no? So what was the amount in the simple interest case? 1300, and now it is 1331, right? So which gives you more benefit? If you have to lend someone money, so which one you will use? You will use simple interest or you will use compound interest? Tell me.
Compound interest.
Correct, because in compound interest you are getting 31 rupees extra, right? 31 extra. So when you lend money, you lend it at compound interest, but when you borrow from someone, you should prefer simple interest, right?
Interest.
Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
Now let's get the formula. Now you don't have to do this 1 year, 2 year, 3 year separately. There is a direct formula for this. Formula is amount is equals to principal 1 plus R by 100 to the power n, where n is number of time interval, R is rate of interest, and P is principal, A is amount. Okay. Now, if I use the same data, this data, what 1000, 10%, 3 years. Okay, let's do that with this. 1000, rate is 10%, and time is 3 years. Now, again, you have to note that whatever unit you are using here, this is 10% per annum. This is also year. So, same thing is fine. So, now 1000, 110 by 100 to the power 3, 0, 0 cancel. 1000 into 11 cube. 11 cube is 133.1, and 10 cube is this. So this is your amount. But in compound interest, there is no direct formula for compound interest. First, you have to calculate amount. And then if someone asks you what is the interest, interest is amount minus principal. So amount is 1331 minus principal is 1000. So 331 is the interest. This is your compound interest and this is your final amount. Is the formula clear to everyone? How to use this formula?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Now I will give you difference of using same kind of formula in different cases. Okay. Let's say I give you principal 1000, rate is 10% per annum, and I give you time. Oh, wait a minute. My pen is not working. Time is, let's say 3 years. The question say compounded annually. Compounded annually. First case. In the second case, they say per annum. Time is, let's say, 1.5 year. And if I say compounded half yearly. Okay, now how to do this type of question? In the first one, what is this saying? Compounded annually. So I will directly put everything annually. So rate is 10% per annum. So I will write 10 upon 100. Annually, it means year. So I can put 3 and that's how I will calculate this, right? Simple calculation. In the second one, now your principal is 1000. 1 plus R. Rate. Now rate is 10% for 1 year. But they are saying half yearly. So for if 10% for 1 year, half year will be how much? 10% is for full year. For half year, it will be
5.
5. Very good. So 5 upon 100 to the power half yearly. Now you have to think in 1.5 year, how many half years are there? In 1.5 year, how many half years are there?
1.
No, think in 1.5 year, how many half years are there? 6 months, then another 6 months, then another 6 months. So
Three,
total
ma'am.
3, madam. 3.
Three.
correct. So now your n will become 3. Okay, so read the question carefully. You have to read the question carefully, then only you can put this value. Okay, and that's how you calculate this one. Okay, if I give you one more case, let's say I give you principal 1000, rate let's say 12% per annum. Time, let's say I give you 9 months, and I say compounded quarterly. Compounded quarterly. Now you tell me what all values I need to fix. So tell me how much will be the principal? Principal will not change, it will remain same. 1 plus R. Now tell me 12% for full year. So for 1 quarter, how much? For full year, it is 12%.
9.
No, 12% is for full year. For quarterly, it will be how much? In 1 year, how many quarter? 4 quarters, right? Yes or no?
Yes,
In 1
ma'am.
year, how many quarters are there? 4 quarters. Jan, Feb, March, then April, May, June, then July, August, September, then October, November, December. 4 quarters. So 12 divided by 4, 3 upon 100. And now tell me how much will be n. In 9 months, how many quarters are there? In 9 months, how many quarters are there?
3.
3 quarters, right? 3 month each. So that's how you will calculate this. Is it clear to everyone? Compounded annually, compounded half yearly or half annually, and compounded quarterly. Right?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, let's start solving questions now. This is the question. Please start solving. Compound interest on rupees 30,000. So 30,000 is your principal, correct? This is rate. And this is interest. This is CI. Okay. Start solving. Think, you have to think first. Write the formula and see what all you can fit in the formula. Write the formula. Principal is how much? 30,000. 1 plus rate is how much? 7 upon 100. Number of years you have to calculate. Do you know amount? Do you know how much is the amount? Tell me what will be the amount. Think and tell me.
4,000.
No, that is interest. Amount will be what?
347.
Correct. You will add this two. So 3, 4, 3, 4, 7. This plus this will be amount. And now try to solve it. So 34347 upon 30,000 is equals to 107 upon 100 to the power n. Now, see, you have to make right hand side and left hand side same. Okay, you have to make it some power of 100 denominator. So I will divide by 3. So what will I get? Divide this by 3. What will I get? 3 ones are 3, 3 ones are 3, 1, 3, 3 fours are 12, 1, 4, 3 again 4s are 12, 2, 7, 3 9s are. Correct? And now this is 100 square, denominator is 100 square, numerator is what square? This 11449 is the square of what number? Think. (107 square, right? 107 square. So 107 whole square. 107 upon 100 power n. If base is same, powers will be equal. So n equals to how much?
2.
2. Answer is option A. So this is how you solve this type of question. You getting it? Everyone? You have to make base same. Otherwise, because you have to compare the power. So to compare the power, you have to make the base same. Okay, do next question. Question number 1. Please mute yourself. Someone's mic is on. Mute yourself. Someone's mic is on. Please mute yourself. Yes. Try this 2 question. I'll give you 5 minutes. Take 5 minutes, solve this 2 questions. Are you getting the answer? First one is simple. Just put everything in the formula. Amount is equals to P bracket 1 plus R by 100 to the power N. Okay. P is how much? 25,000. 1 plus R is 12 upon 100 to the power 3. Just do the calculation. Answer for question number 1 is?
Ma'am, C.
Yes, perfect. Everyone is giving me the correct answer. Answer is C. Because when you calculate this, you will get amount, right? And from that amount, you have to subtract principal to get the interest part. So answer is option C. Correct? First one, everyone got C? Just the calculation thing. Second one, what is the rate of compound interest per annum with the sum? Okay, so they are saying amount and this is principal. So amount, principal, 1 plus r by 100 to the power 2. Okay, again I will do the same thing. I have to take this on this side. Okay, if you remove 0, double 0 in the denominator, divide by 12, divide numerator by 12 and denominator by 12. Divide numerator by 12 and denominator by 12. If I divide numerator by 12, I will get 11236. Yes or no? And 10,000. 1 plus r by 100 to the power 2. Now what number power? This is what power 2 and this is what power 2. Think and tell me. What power 2 I can write? 106. Yes or no? 106 upon 100 square is equals to 1 plus r by 100 square. So power same, power cancelled. Now base is equal. So what is the value of r? What is the value of r? 6. Yes, 100, 1 plus 6 by 100 and this is 1 plus r by 100. So 6 is the answer. Got it, everyone? Okay, moving to the next question. Okay, before moving to the next question, let me explain you one simple shortcut. Okay, there's a shortcut. The shortcut is, if they ask you difference between SI and CI for 2 years, you can use this formula P R by 100 to the power 2. Okay, note this down. But one shortcoming of this formula is that you can use only when the number of years is 2. Okay, it will not work for number of years for 3. Only for 2 it will work. Done, everyone noting? Difference between compound interest and simple interest for 2 years is equals to P bracket R by 100 to the power 2. Okay, now let's do a question on this so that you get to know how to use this formula. This is the question. But use this shortcut, you will get the answer. Okay. So what do I know? Difference I know. Difference is how much? 1 rupee. So this is 1 rupee. 1 is equals to P bracket R. R is how much? 4 upon 100 to the power 2. So 100 by 4 square is equals to P. 10,000 by 16 is equals to P. P will be how much? Tell me. How much will be P?
625.
Perfect. Right? So this is very easy. This shortcut, using this shortcut is very easy. You can do the same question with the longer method. What you will do? You will find CI separately, then you will find SI separately, then take the difference. But that is very lengthy. So this is better. Okay, let's do another question. Do this. Now, is it 2 years? In this question, are they saying 2 years? No? So can we use that formula? No, we cannot use that formula. So in this question, we have to do it separately. First, you find simple interest, then you found compound interest, and then do the subtraction. So first, find simple interest. What will be SI? SI is equals to P into R into T by 100. P is how much? 1200. R is 10. Time is 1 upon 100. Calculate SI will be how much? 120. Right? This is your first value. Okay, now let's find compound interest. So amount is equals to P bracket 1 plus R. Now see, this is 10% per annum, but you are calculating half yearly. So for 10%, 10% for full year, for half year it will be 5 upon 100 to the power. In 1 year, how many half years are there? In 1 year, how many half years are there?
2.
So n will become 2. Now calculate this. 105 by 100 square, 1200 into 105 into 105 divide by 100 into 100.
Ma'am, how is N2? Can you please explain that again?
Read it. In 1 year, how many half years are there? In 1 year, from January to December, how many half years are there? From Jan to June, 1 half year, and from July to December, another half year. 6 months basically. Basically, how many 6 months you are getting in 1 year? 6 months. 2 6 months you are getting in 1 year? Yes or no? That's why your n is equals to 2. Because compounded half yearly. Reckoned half yearly. It means compounded half yearly. Do the calculation. 0000 cancelled out.
1323.
How much?
1323.
1323. Okay. Amount is equals to 1323. But we want compound interest. Compound interest is what? Amount minus the principal. So 1323 minus 1200. How much is the interest? 123. Yes or no?
Yes.
This is your second value. Now read the question. They're asking you difference between simple interest and compound interest. So this minus this, how much?
3.
3 rupees, correct?
Yeah. Answer is B.
So see, in the previous question, we can use the shortcut directly because it was written for 2 years. But in this case, we cannot do it directly. So we have to find SI separately, then we have to find compound interest separately, and then take the difference, right?
Okay, ma'am.
Is this clear to everyone? Okay, let's do next question.
Ma'am,
Yes.
for 3 years, any shortcut trick?
No, there's no shortcut. Just remember for 2 years. For 3 years, we can do it manually, not that difficult.
Okay, ma'am.
Do this one. Can I use shortcut in this one?
Yes, ma'am.
Correct, because it is 2 years. CI minus SI for 2 years is equals to P bracket R by 100 to the power N. CI minus SI. CI minus SI is given to you 96. P is given to you 15,000. R is you need to calculate upon 100 to the power 2. 96 upon 15,000 is equals to R by 100 to the power 2. Okay, let's open this. So this is R square upon 100 square. 100 square will go on this side. So 96 into 100 by 15,000 is equals to R square. 00 cancel. 9600 divided by 150. R square. 960 by 15. 960 by 15. 64. Correct. So R square is equals to 64. R is equals to how much? 8. Yes? Yes or no? R is equals to 8.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Next question. Now read the question properly. It's not the same. They are not talking about the difference. Question number 1. Question number 2. 2 question, take 5 minutes and solve it. Yes, Pranita, your answer is correct. Everyone, first question is very easy. Do it. Not difficult at all. Please do it. Everyone. Okay, let's do the first question. Okay, what are they saying in question number 1? The question says that compound interest on a certain sum for 2 years at 10% per annum is 525. Okay. So amount is equals to principal 1 plus r by 100 to the power n. Principal you don't know, amount also you don't know, but you know interest, correct? Interest you know. So what will be the compound interest? Compound interest is amount minus the principal. Amount is this. Okay, in this you know 525. What else you know? You know 2 year and 10%. So R is 10, N is 2. Correct? So can you find value of P? Find value of P from there. How much P value you will get? Do it. So 525 is equals to P 110 by 100. So it means 11 by 10 is square minus P. Take P common. So 11 square is 121 upon 100 minus 1 is equals to 525. 121 minus 100 upon 100, 21 upon 100. So P bracket 21 upon 100 is equals to 525. P is equals to 525 into 100 by 21. Correct? Calculate principal. How much principal you will get? 525 into 100 divide by 21. 2500. P is equals to 2500. Yes or no? Now they are asking you simple interest for same sum. Sum is same. This is the sum. For double the time means time now will become 2 years, will become 4 years. And rate, half rate percent. So it was 10, now it is 5%. So put everything in the formula. 2500 into 5 into 4 by 100. So 25 into 20. That is 500, option B. Option B. Yes or no, everyone? Okay, second question. Second question. Second question. Tell me how to do second question. Can anyone tell me how to do it? Okay, read the question, everyone. Yes, Pradita, your answer is correct. There is 60% increase in an amount in 6 years at simple interest. In 6 years, it is increasing by 60%. 6 years increasing by 60%. So 1 year increase by how much? 10%. It means rate was 10% per annum. Yes or no? Correct? In 6 years, it is increasing 60 times. So in 1 year, it will increase with 10 times, 10%. So it means rate is 10% per annum. What will be the compound interest for rupees 12,000 after 3 years at the same rate? So amount is equals to P 1 plus R by 100 to the power N. Principal is how much? 12,000. 1 plus R is 10% by 100 to the power 3. So find amount. Amount will be how much? 12,000 into 1100 by 100 power 3. 12,000, 0 cancel, into 11 into 11 into 11 upon 10 into 10 into 10. So this is cancelled with this. 12 into 11 cube. How much will be 12 into 11 cube? Yes, amount will be 15972. Correct? When I calculate this, I will get 15972. But read the question, what they are asking you. They are asking you compound interest. So CI is equals to amount minus principal. Amount is how much? 15972 minus 12,000. So how much I will get? How much I will get? Yes, correct answer. Answer is option C. Right? Is it clear to everyone? Okay. Now, next question. Question number 1. Question number 2. Okay, take the screenshot, those who want to screenshot of this. Okay. Question number 3. 3 question. Take 5 minutes to solve this 3 question. All are easy, very easy question. Question number 1, question number 2, question number 3. Take 5 minutes and solve the questions. Yes, tell me. Please, everyone, mute yourself. Everyone, mute yourself. Answer for question number 1. Answer. Please tell me the answer. Everyone, answer for question number 1. Guys, tell me answer for question number 1. A sum of money amounts to rupees 6,690 after 3 years and to 10,035 after 6 years. Okay, so how to do this question? Okay, let's do this. So it means that amount is 6690, principal you don't know, 1 plus rate also you don't know, but time you know, 3 years. This is equation 1. Equation 2, 10035 is equals to P 1 plus R by 100 to the power 6. This is equation 2. Can I divide this 2 equation? If I divide this 2 equation, write this. And this upon this, PP cancel and power 6 and power 3. So only this much is left, yes or no? Now can I work on it? Yes, please work on it. Divide this, how much you will get? Divide, what we can do, divide both number by 3. So this divide by 3. So what will I get? I will get 3345 upon, divide that by 3. 6690 divide by 3. So I will get 2230. 1 plus r by 100 to the power 3. Okay, what else I can do? I will directly divide now. Let's 3345 divide by 2230. I will get 1.5. 1.5 is equals to 1 by r of this power 3. Okay, so it means this value is 1.5. If I put this in the first equation, put it in the first equation, put this in the value of this in this equation. So if I put here, so what will I get? 6690 p into 1.5, right? So p is equals to 6690 upon 1.5. So you will get the value of principal. 6690 divided by 1.5. 4460. Yes or no? 4460. Correct? Yes.
Correct.
Okay. Question number 2. Find compound interest rupees 8,000, 15%
Find compound
per
interest rupees 8,000, 15% per
15% per annum for 2 years. Okay. So 2 years and 4 months compounded annually. So amount is equals to 8,000, 1 plus R. 15% for full year. For full year. So for quarterly, it will be how much? No, for compounded annually. Annually nikalna hai. So let's do 15 only here. Upon 100 to the power 2 years, 4 months. So 2, 4 by 12. So how much I will get? 2 plus 1 by 3. 5, 2, 5, 6, 7 by 3. Yes or no? Correct?
Yes.
Now how to do this? What should I do? Because the power 7 by 3, how will I solve it? Power 7 by 3. There should be some easier way to calculate it. 115 by 100 to the power 7 by 3 to 8,000. Okay. Okay, let's take the 7 by 3 in that case. 7 by 3 will be 2 plus 1 by 3. Na? So 2 and then another 1 by 3. Correct? Like this. So this much I can solve easily. Power 1 by 3, I have to find cube root of this. So cube root of that you have to do. So this require calculator. Without calculator, you will not be able to solve this question. Okay. Do the third one. Vidisha. Okay, next question. Tell me next question. How? Put everything in the formula. Principal is given to you, rate is given to you, and compounded quarterly. So for per annum, it is 20%. So for quarter, it is 20 by 4, right? So 16,000 bracket 1 plus R, 20 by 4 is 5 upon 100, 9 months. In 9 months, how many quarters? 3 months, 3 months, and then 3 months. 1, 2, 3. Right? Calculate it. Do the calculation and tell me the answer. Calculate and tell me the answer. Pranita, you leave that one because that needs a calculator. Without calculator, you cannot do that question. So leave that one. Do the third one. Calculate this and tell me the answer. Please do the calculation and tell me the answer. One zero five into 105 into 105. Or 105 by 100, na? So just divide 105 divided by 5. 21 into 21 into 21 upon 100 divided by 5. 20 into 20 into 20 into 16,000. Calculate.
Option B हुन्छ यसको. Sorry.
Option B?
B.
Yes, correct answer. Option B. Perfect. Okay, next question. Very easy. Please do it quickly and tell me the answer. to question. Question number 1 answer is just do the calculation.
Option number A. Ma'am,
Option number A. Correct. Perfect. So 75 into 104 into 104 divided by 100. 8122 you will get. This is your amount. They're asking you interest. So 8122 minus 7500, right? Answer is option A.
Ma'am,
Tell me.
so these calculations, we need to do them without a calculator.
Yes, without calculator, it is not difficult. This one. 104 into 104 you can do easily. Right? Multiplication is easy. Second one, 10,000 bracket 1 plus R. 4% for full year. So for half year, it will be 2. And in 2 years, how many half years are there? In 2 years, how many half years are there? 4 half years? Yes. So 4. Okay, let's do the calculation. 10,000 into 102 into 102 into 102 into 102. Divide by 100 into 100 into 100 into 100. Okay. So this 2 zeros and this 2 zeros is cancelled with this. So 102 to the power 4. 102 into 102 to 102 into 102. Divide by 10,000. So 10824.32. Okay, and now they are asking you interest. So this minus the this. So 824.32, option D. Yes or no? Correct? Okay. So this is it. This is how you will solve questions on simple interest and compound interest. Okay, wait a minute. I'll give you link to find more questions so that you can practice. Okay. So I'll give you link. Okay, everyone, please check your chat box. So on this link, you will find lot of question on simple compound interest. Okay, let me check how many pages are there. Page 1 till, okay, page 5 is there. Okay, so 5 pages of question, like each page has at least 7-8 questions. So you will have enough question to practice. All right, guys, is it clear to everyone? Simple interest, compound interest, amount is equals to principal. Right? Compound interest formula is this. Okay, and if you want to find calculate CI amount, and if you want to find okay, this is a very important topic. All of you remember, simple interest and compound interest is very important topic, and you will get minimum 1 or 2 questions from this topic, at least 1 or 2 questions. Okay, so you have to practice a lot. All right, guys. In the next class, we will do average.
Thank you, ma'am.
Thank you, everyone.
Thank you, everyone.